Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag 2crafters1design hosted by Melissa, Gloria, and Lisa. I will be sure to link all of their channels down below. This week's challenge was to use a kite, and this is my project. For the background paper, I had some scraps in my scrap pile, so that's where the cloud paper came from. I picked up this cloud die on AliExpress a couple of years ago. I paper pierced it to have some different colors in it. The kite I cut from my Cricut cartridge. This is Create a Critter. I used this little kite, but I didn't put the face on. The papers on the kites came from this paper pad from American Crafts, Cold Spring. The stamp on the outside says happy birthday, is from my creative time. Wow, so many candles. On the inside I have may all your wishes come true. That is from Whimsical Designs. That is my project using a kite. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.